Greetings, wonderful viewers. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a delicious fake slice of cake. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you do not add any paint in the area where you're going to glue the two pieces of the slice of cake together. If you get acrylic paint in that area, the drying time will increase, and sometimes it doesn't stick together very well at all. I'm using E6000, and the color of icing that I want for the cake, I mix it together well and I place it in the middle. It holds the pieces together really nice. In order to create the creamy icing for your slice of cake, take whatever acrylic color that you're looking for, mix it with cornstarch until it has the smooth, thick consistency that you're looking for, and then you should add some type of gloss to it. You can use a Mod Podge gloss or triple thick or any type of gloss that you have, and that will give you that nice thick creamy icing.